Hello, this is a warning. If you don't know Marianne, please pause the video before watching it. In 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone! So today I'm here to do another vlog video, and I'm sorry about this face because I'm sweating. I just came back from the post office because I sold some shoes on Poshmark and actually didn't fit the freaking box, so came back home and I did like a plastic wrapping packaging, so I'm gonna post it tomorrow morning instead of today. I just met my friend. We went to a coffee shop and we had a talk because she wanna do a business with me, and I would like to do it, and I want to do it, and she want to do it too, but there's a lot of stuff that I'm like, okay, how should we manage this? Because, you know, I never had any businesses with a friend. I was part of a business, but the partner were not my friends. And yeah, I worked for a business as an employee, and I worked freelance, and I still work freelance. If you guys have any advice on having a business with somebody that is close to you, like your best friend or your friend, your close friend, let me know, because I'm very curious. I'm gonna start to study the market and kind of doing a benchmark of the market that we want to go in. Guys, I wanted to share with you this thing that I bought in the, was it H Mart, Buena Park, I think. These are Taiwanese pastries, and they are taro pastries, and this is so good. Okay, this is pretty expensive. I bought this like almost 20 bucks, I think, and it come like this, and it's so good. Like, I love those kind of pastries, and as you can see, it is made in the US. Hi everyone, I just received my Ipsy glam bag plus so I'm gonna open it with you guys. I'm so excited. Find your light. This is the theme for this glam bag. Okay, I see that we have a mask, we have a cleansing gel, powder. Okay, let me see. So the first thing that I see is I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask, and this is this thing. This is a peel off mask which I like. It's a K-Beauty brand, which I like also. This is $23. So yeah, it's pretty good. The second one, wait a minute. This one I already received through the glam bag. I already received this thing. Why they send me again the same one? And to be honest, I was very disappointed about this thing. Ugh! I'm not happy. So this is the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleanser Gel. And it smells like fragrance. I really don't like it. I think a few months ago I got it, this one. I'm disappointed. So this is $39, and it smells like fragrance, like straight up perfume, and I don't want to put perfume on my face, you know. Maybe my husband will use it, I don't know. Next product is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. This is good because I never tried this product, and a translucent powder is, you never go wrong with that kind of stuff, so this is good. I like it. Next one is Wonder Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in taupe. So this is good because again, brow pencil is always something that you need. It's like a mascara, you always need it. So I think I will like it. I don't know if the color is right, but I think I can work it out. We'll see. I will update you maybe about that. And the last one is Ofra Cosmetic Ofra X Madison Miller Squad palette. So it is a palette. I think every glam bag, every glam bag that I received has a palette in it. So I am starting to be like, you know, I have too much palette kind of thing. I used to have like only 2 or 3 palettes, and now I have like 6 or 7. Okay, this is a different palette. This is not a, is it just a palette, or is it, I don't know. It has only 3 colors, and to me it looks like a blush, a highlighter, I'm not sure. But yeah, I like the color. The color are very pretty. Let me swatch it for you. Ooh, yes, it is pretty. It is pretty. Yeah, it is very pretty. Yeah, there's one that is more yeah. Oh wow, this is pretty. Yeah, I like it actually. And this is 35 bucks. So yeah, that's my 5 product for this month of September. I'm very excited about everything except the Paris Hilton cleanser, because again, I don't want to put freaking fragrance and perfume on my face, and this is it. And again, I think I did give them the feedback that I didn't like this, but still they send it to me. This time I'm gonna give this one a bad review so that they know that I don't like this one. I think I was maybe too nice the last time that I didn't like, but yeah, this time I'm gonna give like 0 star. I don't even know if it's possible to give 0 star, but anyway, we'll see. I'll give the worst review for this one because I don't like it. Anyway, this is it for now. Today I am going to cook a lot because we are going on our honeymoon very soon, so we need to, you know, save up some money, because, you know, honeymoon is honeymoon. It's gonna cost a lot. So we are going to Japan and Korea. Korea is not the honeymoon thing, but since we're going to Japan, and since, you know, I have some family there in Korea, we decided to go. And yeah, so we decided that we are gonna save some money and cook at home. So today is my turn, because yesterday my husband made me a kimchi jjigae, which was very, very good, delicious actually. And today I am going to do a mushroom sauté. I don't know in English. Sauté de champignons, and maybe an omelette. And I'm gonna do that, and I want to bake something too. So I think I'm gonna bake a almond cake or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but that's my mission for today. And I probably am going to edit right now until like 5 maybe. I will start to cook while watching The Good Place, because yes, I am hooked up. I don't know if you can see anything. I think it's very, very dark for some reason. Okay, let's do it. That's what I bake is a pear almond cake, and it smells so delicious. Hello everyone! Today is Friday and I am going to meet my friend Insan. We're going to go to the Grove, and then after that we have an appointment for a facial. Alright, I got my pumpkin cold brew. We'll see if it's good. Hiya! Hello! Say hello! Do you see any difference? I don't know. But she told me that I still have a lot of acne, and I do have a lot of acne. I'm 30 and I still have acne. I don't understand, like, why. If you can see, I have here and there, everywhere, acne. And she told me that I should use acne prone skin, sensitive skin product, especially the toner, the cleanser, and the serum. So I'm gonna go on internet and see if there is a cheap alternative for that, because I don't have any acne prone skin product, because I thought, you know, I don't need. But she told me that I need that, and she told me also, well, that's her, you know, that's her work. She told me that it's better for me if I go to the facial thing once a week, but it's a lot of money because you have to think like around $100, and around $100 for a week, that's a lot of money for skin. So I gotta think about it. It's a lot of money, and I don't know if I can commit to that. But yeah, I feel a little bit sick, like dizzy. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna watch The Good Place now. It's too late! We already finished our dinner. I wanted to show you, I wanted to vlog, but I forgot. So, we had Korean rice and some kimchi jjigae, some tteokgui, some dubu, kimchi stew.
Tteok is like some root marinated and then pan fried.
Anyway,
tofu.
A bunch of stuff, and I made oi muchim, which is cucumber
salad, Korean style.
So it was delicious, and now I think I'm gonna continue to watch The Good Place. We also work out. We did squat and deadlift and stuff like that, and that is our Friday. Look at cute outfit. Oh, she's going, she's going.
Just run through, she might not grab something. Oh!
Wait.
She wants to be a judge.
Yes, I wanted to show you something I just received. I think this is the day that I become a real influencer, because somebody sent me free stuff without even noticing me, like without asking for a collaboration, without asking nothing. I'm opening it, and it's a shampoo and a conditioner from the brand Pravana. I know this brand, I never used it, so good news, I'm gonna use it. There's no note, there's no message, there's just a part of the, I don't know if you can see, a part of the box, and it says new color protect shampoo and conditioner, blah 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 blah. I must say, I feel pretty damn good, even though I look like crap today.
We're going to continue with him
My
now,
tea
and then hope that he gets it together
and
and
Netflix.
doesn't mess up again.
There's definitely levels to Jason's texting. Like,